Good morning, boys and girls. Sorry this video is a little late. All right. It's Friday. We're doing 16.3 today. Okay, Friday, June 5th. So get out your math books and go to page 859 for me, please. 16.3, perimeter and unknown side lengths. All right, we're going to watch our video, circle our can, and do our problems together. All right, boys and girls, here we go.
How can you find an unknown side length from the perimeter? Let's look at an example. Lilia is making a decoration out of straws and cloth with lace around the outside. Lilia has 22 inches of lace. How long should she cut the fourth straw to use all of the lace?
All right, so we know the perimeter. They're telling us the perimeter is going to be 22 inches because she's going to use all of the lace. All right, so the side lengths we know are 4 inches, 6 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches, and 8 inches. We need to find this one. All right.
Lilia needs to find the length that will give the shape a perimeter of 22 inches. What lengths does she know?
Well, she knows those three lengths right there.
The lengths of three sides are given: 6 inches, 4 inches, and 8 inches. What does X inches represent? Select your answer.
The length of the lace or the unknown side length? Natalie says unknown side length. She is correct.
It represents the unknown length in inches. To solve this problem, draw a bar diagram and write an equation. You know the lengths of 3 of the sides: 8 inches, 6 inches, and 4 inches. Let X equal the length of the missing side.
The total perimeter is going to go on top.
22 inches.
All right, we know the total perimeter is 22, so that's going to go up top. All right.
You can add 8 plus 6 plus 4 in the equation. So X plus 18 equals 22.
8 plus 6 plus 4 equals 18, guys.
To solve, think. What plus 18 equals 22?
So put 18 in your brains.
Think of the number that, when added to 18, equals 22. What number is that? X plus 18 equals 22. So X equals 4. So the fourth side should be 4 inches long.
There is another way you can find the answer.
You can also use subtraction to find 22 minus 18 equals 4.
That's the way we did the other day in our video, guys.
Now you know how to find an unknown side length from the perimeter.
All right. First things first, like always, we can move that. My sister's birthday, I got her a present. Okay. Says, I can find the unknown length of a polygon using a known perimeter. All right, that's our I can statement, so let's circle it, please. Okay, John has 16 feet of wood that he uses to make a sandbox that has 4 sides. He makes the sides with the lengths of 6 feet, 5 feet, and 3 feet. What length should he make the fourth side in order to use all 16 feet of the wood? Solve this problem any way you choose. All right, so we know that 5, 6, and 3 are given to us. So let's make our bar diagram, okay? We're going to separate the bar diagram into 4s because there's 4 numbers are given us, all right? Or 4 sides they have. Our total is 16, so we're going to put that at the top. Okay, we're going to put 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus question mark, because they use kind of like a question mark type thing here. So what are we going to do here, Brennan? Good, we're going to add. So add 5 plus 6 plus 3. When you add that up, you get 14. So is this our answer for here? Anthony, no. What do we have to do now, Juliana? we have to subtract. Very good. 14 minus 16, Cole, is 2 feet. So this is going to be 2 feet right here. Okay. This one isn't that bad. Give everybody a chance to write that down. All right. Not doing that one, you can exit out. Next page, convince me. Let's not do that one today. Okay. All right. In the problem on 860, so this problem right here, okay, x plus 8 plus 4, or x plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 equals 22. Why does x plus 8 plus 4 plus, or sorry, x plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 equal the perimeter 22 inches? X plus 8 plus 4, because why? Because, good, Emma, there are 4 sides, so we have 4 lengths. Very good, Emma. Nice description. Because there are 4 sides, so we have 4 lengths. Okay, number 2. All right, let's go over number 1 real quick again, sorry. Since our shape here was 4 sides, this, and the perimeter was 22 inches, as they told us, we know we have 4 sides, so we're going to have 4 lengths. So here's our 4. X, 8, 6, and 4. There's our 4 side lengths. We just don't know what X is. Once we figure out X, we know it's going to equal 22 inches. Okay? Write an equation you could use to find the length of the missing side of this triangle with a perimeter of 23 centimeters, then solve. Well, perimeter doesn't matter what shape it is. We're always going to have to add all 3 sides. Doesn't matter what shape. It could be a hexagon, it could be a quadrilateral, it could be a triangle, it could be a pentagon, it could be a dodecagon, which is like 12 sides. Okay? Or dodecagon is 12 sides, sorry. Decagon is 10 sides. Okay. So same thing we're going to do here. Let's make our bar diagram. 3 boxes because there's 3 sides, max. 8, 3, and X. Jading, because we don't know this side. Taylor, what number are we going to put on top? 23. Very good. So we're going to put 23 up here. All right. So what are we going to do with 8 and 3, Coop? We're going to add them. 8 plus 3 equals 11 centimeters. So does 11 go here? No. So if we got to subtract 23 and 11. 23 is our total minus 11. We get, oops, sorry, this is a minus, not a plus. We get 22 centimeters. So X equals 22 centimeters. Or sorry, no. Sorry. Mr. Shermer says 12 centimeters. My bad, boys and girls. Silly Mr. Sherman. No wonder that didn't make sense. 12 centimeters. Now, if you wanted to check your answer, you can add 12 plus 3 plus 8. And if that equals 23, you are correct. So just because it's a triangle doesn't change what we do. It's always going to add all 3 sides to get our perimeter. But they give us the perimeter here, so we just got to add our 2 sides we know, subtract from the total, and we get 12 centimeters. 12 plus 3 plus 8, if you added all these up, would equal 23 centimeters. Okay, let's go to number 3. In 3 and 4, find this length of the missing side for each polygon so it has a perimeter given. Perimeter is 30. We have 8 and 12. So we're going to make our bar diagram, Andrew. How many boxes, Rye? 3, because there's 3 sides. Very good, because it's a triangle. Riley says put 8 in this one, 12 in this one, and X in that one. Max wants to put 30 up here. He is correct. 30 centimeters, because that's what we have. That's our perimeter. That's our total. The total always goes on top of the bar diagram. BZ wants to add 8 plus 12. So BZ says 8 plus 12 is going to be 20. So she knows that 20 might, we got to subtract that. We get 10 here. So X equals 10, says Landry. 10 centimeters. So this would be 10 right here. To check your work, you could do 10 plus 12 plus 8. That would equal 30 centimeters. We are correct. All right, let's do number 4 now. Perimeter is 25 centimeters. Okay, so let's, or 25 feet, sorry. Let's do our bar diagram. How many boxes are we going to make in our bar diagram? There, BZ. BZ says 5. Because there's 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 5. Aiden says put 25 on top because that's our total. Summer says we're going to go 4, 4, 7, 7, S. S feet we got to find. What are we going to do with the 4, 4, 7, and 7? We're going to add them. We know 4 plus 4 is 8. We know 7 plus 7 is 14, so 14 plus 8 equals 22. But we know that 22 is not our answer. This doesn't look like 22 feet. So we had to do 25 minus 22. And we get 3 feet. S equals 3 feet. Okay, beautiful. All right, boys and girls. We're going to do 5, 6, and 7 together. You guys are going to do 8, 9, and 10 on your own and put your answers in Google Classroom. Okay, so 5, 6, and 7. So 5. Let's show it again here. Our perimeter is 24 inches. We know one side is 8, one side is 6. We got to find N. So let's make our bar diagram. 3 boxes because we have 3 sides. 24 at the top, that's our total. That's our perimeter. 8, 6, and N. Taylor says add 6 plus 8 and she gets 14. She knows that 24 minus 14 is 10 inches. So this was going to be 10 inches. N equals 10 inches. All right. This is inches, sorry guys. Number 7, or number 6, sorry. Our perimeter is 30 inches. Jaden. Okay, a bar diagram, we're going to make in 4s because we have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are we putting up top there, Jaden? Our perimeter, 30, very good. And the boxes, we're going to put 4, 9, 12, and X. We're going to add all 3 of these, 4, 12, and 9. Add them all up. 6 plus 9 is 5. Sorry, it's 5. 25. So we do 30 minus 25 equals 5 meters. So this is going to be X equals 5 meters. If you guys want to do these on a separate piece of paper because you have more room, obviously you can do that. You don't need to ask. Okay. Hopefully you guys are getting these now and you're finding these pretty easy. You just add up all the sides you know and subtract it from the perimeter. Okay, let's do number 7 together. 4 sides because it's a trapezoid, only 1 pair of parallel lines on that trapezoid. Perimeter is 37, that goes up top. 4 boxes. We're going to do 9, 9, and 5. So 9, plus 9 plus 5 is 23. 37 minus 23 is 14. So x equals 14 yards. 14 yards. All right. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause. If you guys are confused, you can talk with your parents about it. You can ask me over Google Classroom. You can have your parents send me an email. All right, they can text me. But it's not too confusing. I think you guys will get it. Just remember, when you do your bar diagrams, the perimeter goes up top. You make as many boxes as there are sides. So 1, 2, 3 boxes, because there's 1, 2, 3 sides. You add up the sides you know, and you subtract it from the total, the perimeter. You guys are going to do 8, 9, and 10 on your own. You're going to put your answers in Google Classroom like we always do. Okay? 8, 9, and 10 on your own. All right, let's skip to the back. Let's go to 16. We're going to go right to 16. All right. The quadrilateral at the right has a perimeter of 28 centimeters. So this quadrilateral right here. Write and solve an equation to find the missing length of the missing side. Then write the side, to find the length of the missing side. Then write the side length in the box. All right, so like we're always got to do. Our perimeter total is 28 inches, or 28 centimeters. Let's make our box here. 4 boxes, because there's 4 sides. 3, 9, 11, and we'll just put x here. So our equation will be 3, because we have to do an equation, plus 9, plus 11, plus x equals 28. Now to solve it, let's do what we've been doing. 3 plus 9 we know is 12, so 12 plus 11. You get 23. Subtract that from 28, and x equals 5 centimeters. All right. We're going to do 14 together, and the rest you guys don't need to do. If you want to do those on your own with your parents, get some extra practice or whatever you can, but we're just going to do 14, and then we are done. And then you're doing 8, 9, and 10 on your own and putting those answers in Google Classroom. Okay? So remember, we know the perimeter is 28, but 28 here. We know we have a quadrilateral because it's 4-sided, so we make 4 boxes. Our equation is 3 plus 9 plus 11 plus x equals 28. Why 28? Because that's our perimeter. And these are the 4 sides added up. To solve it, we add up what we know and subtract it from the perimeter. And we get 5. So this would be 5 right here. To check it, you can add 3 plus 9 plus 11 plus 5, and you would equal 28. All right, so this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So we got a hexagon we're working with here. Novak's room is shown below. The perimeter it has a perimeter of 52 feet. Tell how to use an equation to find the missing length in Novak's room. So we're just going to solve and kind of do what we did here up here. Okay? All right, so we know 52 is our perimeter. Let's make our bar diagram. We're going to have 6 boxes because we have 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to add 13 plus 13 because 1, 2. 10 for this side. 7 for this side and 3 for that one, and then x here. So our equation is going to be 13 plus 13 plus 10 plus 7 plus 3 plus x. So you would add all those up. 13 plus 13 I know is 26, plus 10 is 36, plus 7 plus 3, which is 10, is 46. So we have, if you add all this up right here, you get 46. 46. So 52 minus 46, oops, sorry. You would get your answer as 6. So x is going to equal 6 feet, boys and girls. 6 feet. Okay. All right, boys and girls, sorry this math video is a little later today, but remember to do your reading street test and this math lesson, and you're done for the day, done for the weekend. All right, get your math lesson done and your reading street test done. It's like an hour's worth of work, and you're done for the weekend. All right, then I'll have another video on Monday for 16-4. Okay? Do your test, please. Do your test, please. Do your test, please. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Bye.